Hi everyone! Today I'm testing the focus tracking feature on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, but not on a ground target. This time, it's on something in the air. On the controller screen, you can see my second drone, the Mini 4 Pro, and that's the object we're going to focus on. The distance between the drones is about 3 meters. If I move farther away, the second drone becomes almost invisible on the screen, so I'm keeping it close but still safe. We select the drone and start moving in a circle using the right stick. The Mini 5 keeps its older brother perfectly in frame. Here you can see the marker shifting a little, but the camera still tracks the drone smoothly. When we go slightly lower, the camera tilts up and keeps following. When we go higher, the camera moves down, still holding the target in focus. After a few moves, it's clear that the system stays stable and accurate. Overall, the Mini 5 Pro handles air target tracking really well. But don't try this in crowded places, safety first. If you enjoy drone tests, aerial shots, and travel videos, subscribe and give a like. Fly safe and enjoy the skies.